Hey guys, how are you all? This video is all about how can you change your password on your Snapchat. So changing a Snapchat password is a very simple thing. If you remember your current password, then you can change your password for the next attempts, and you can change you can enter a new password using your current password. So let's just do it on our phone. This is my Android phone and I will open my Snapchat here like this. Let it be open here. Go on the setting or icon tab on the left top of screen like this. Click on that, and after that click on the right top of screen. You will see the setting option here. We'll click on that, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the seventh option is password. Just click on password option here. You can enter your password, your current password right now, that is. I will click on the continue option, and after verifying your new password, you can just change your password from this setting on your Snapchat. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query, any suggestion about any topic, so just drop it into the comment section. We will make a separate video on that. Thank you so much for watching it.